Alright guys, we're here today at 14833 North 129th Drive, out here in El Mirage today. As you can see, we have the beautiful home here right in front of us. We have the garage door cracked open for you guys. And then you can see you kind of have a private little entry over here around the side of the home. And then something else I want to point out is just the location of this property is fantastic. So I mean, you're just a few minutes away from some really nice shopping, some great food places. So I mean, you do not have any travel issues at all. Not to mention, I mean, you're very close to the 303 freeway, so you can easily get into, say Phoenix very, very easily with very low traffic as well. So once we step in, you can see this is kind of like the main living area here. And then behind us is going to be your kitchen. So you can see you have your dining area over there in the back, which is actually facing out to the front of the home. So that is actually the street out there in front of us. And then you have a very nice sized dining area here. Get this really cool chandelier as well. And then over here, which we just walked through, is your kitchen. So you can see you get all of the appliances, the dishwasher, the microwave. All of these things are going to stay with the home. So you don't have to worry about, providing your own or replacing them or anything like that. And then we'll go ahead and we'll take a step out into the backyard, which you can see is a very, very nice little space, very well maintained back here. And you also get this really cool tree as well. I mean, you can see the size of that and just how much shade that's going to be able to give your backyard and help keep you cool in the summertime and all of those fantastic things. Quick look at the back of the home. And we'll go ahead and step back inside. And one thing I want to point out as well is this awesome flooring you can see all throughout here. I mean, just adds a really nice, modern touch. Helps keep it light and bright in here, which makes the space feel even bigger, even though it's already a very nice sized space. So once we come this way, you're going to have a quick right, which is actually going to be a full guest bath. So you can see you have your nice shower tub combo, your nice little vanity here as well. And then once we come past this way, you're going to have a couple different options. So we're going to have two identical guest bedrooms here. So you can see the first one. And I also just want to point out the size of these closets. So this closet actually goes all the way back behind the door. So you have a ton of space, especially for a guest bedroom. I mean, the size of these guest closets could easily be compared to most primary closets. See in here as well. So it's just about an exact copy, just kind of flip-flopped in here. And then before we get to the primary, we're going to come back this way. You're going to have your space for your laundry room in here. And then you also have access to your 2-car garage, which you can also see you have some nice hanging storage over there. You got your water heater. And then back this way, we're going to have your primary bedroom and bathroom. So you can see, just the sheer size of this room, as well as, I don't know if the camera picks it up too well, with the vaulted ceilings. You can see how high these ceilings are. So even at the low point over here, this is still probably easily an 8.5-foot ceiling over here, which goes up to probably like a 14-foot ceiling. So you have a huge amount of space in here. And then of course you get your nice window out to the backyard as well. And then stepping into the bathroom, you're going to see you have a nice little spot for like a stool. You could do your makeup in the morning, anything like that. And then directly off, you're going to have your closet, which is a really cool and unique design in here. So you can see you have tons of shelving, tons of hanger space as well. And then across the little way, you're going to have your full bathroom in here as well. So again, a really nice, sunken in tub shower combo, and then everything that you need in there. So that's going to be about it for the tour of this home, guys. I mean, I just want to point out one more time how good of a location this home is. It's in a nice growing area of town. So I mean, there's going to be nothing but more and more, shops and storage and food places and things to do. So this is going to be a booming area here soon. I just want to thank you guys for touring with me. If you want to take a look at this home for yourself, you want to apply anything like that, you can do it all through our website, which is rpmphoenixvalley.com. Thank you guys for touring with me.